Guys, it's Steve from Home Fresh Experience Cooking, and yeah, as you know, we started off with children's cooking classes and little kids cooking classes, and we started off taking them shopping and cooking, and as we got rolling and people started to like what we do, they started to ask us, oh, what else can you do, what other sort of classes can you do? And one of the first communities that came forward was the people living with a disability, yeah, we started to do those classes, and wow, what a life-changing experience it was for all of us. It was just so much fun, and yeah, we go shopping, so the guys come in, they get their aprons on, they get dressed, we brief them on what we're going to cook for the day, and then we go off in the supermarket over there and yeah, get all the ingredients and get it all together, and then come back and cook whatever's on the menu, and then yeah, usually sit down and have a meal together and just have a social interaction, you know, just a really great time. And it's really brought together the community and people living with a disability together. Really, they're shopping together and saying hello to each other and interacting in the supermarkets. And yeah, now we have a vision really to take the dis out of disability. That's what we'd love to do. So that's our mission now. Our mission is to have lots of these classes going all of the time, and letting lots of people living with a disability interact with us and have a good time. And yeah, just see if we can just blend the guys into the community more and more and more. We're finding that the more we do it, the more people are enjoying it, and yeah, asking us what the hell's going on in here. The place is always full of people, and it's just such a great time. So that's what we're doing. We've created a Cooking on the Spectrum sort of, I guess, a little show that we're doing on the internet, and yeah, bringing that together and just letting people experience what we experience every day. Whilst Cooking on the Spectrum is a big part of our day, we have classes twice a day. Yeah, it's just such a great experience, and now we're going to let you guys share it online as well. So we'll bring you nice little clips and stuff and let you interact, and by all means, you know, just yeah, just comment on there and let us know what you think. So that's what we're doing at Home Fresh, Cooking on the Spectrum, coming to your computer soon.